What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gat Talks. Today we are going to be taking a basic review and a walkthrough of the Amazfit GTR smartwatch fitness tracker. The smartwatch goes for about $140 depending on the website and seller that you choose to get it from. I will have my eBay affiliate link in the video description section below. So if you guys do want to make a purchase after this video and support me, you guys can use my affiliate link and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Now, before I begin today, if you guys have not yet already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video as it will help me out a lot. And I will be coming out with new regular review videos of the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. So you guys don't want to miss out on that. If you guys do also want to see any specific items, gadgets, smartwatches, you do want to comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see and I will try my best to get my hands on them and give you guys a walkthrough and review of it. Now let's begin. This smartwatch has some specs that is pretty standard to a fitness tracker. It is 1.39 inch LED display. It does have a 24/7 heart rate monitor and a 24-day battery life. It also has multi-sport mode, which is pretty standard for a fitness tracker. Now let's see how this watch feels. Now this watch also comes in a few variations. This is one of them. It's the one that caught my eye the most, which has a leather band and a steel case. So this is a dressier watch. You definitely don't want to take it to, any activities that would expose your watch to water, because that would ruin the band. For something like that, if you want to take it to water activities, you would like a silicone watch band instead, but not the leather, because that would definitely ruin it very fast. Now, this watch feels like how I have expected. So the leather band, it's nothing too special. It feels like a very standard leather band. So that's just standard feel. Now the case itself does seem pretty cool. I have seen a knockoff version of this watch, also in a Chinese generic smartwatch. It's called the DT78. It looks almost exactly the same. I have done a review on it before knowing that it was the Amazfit knockoff. Now, I would say this actually feels a little better. It just feels, because just the case has a better feel than the DT78. The DT78 was about a $30 smartwatch. So there could be a little bit of a difference. This smartwatch is full touchscreen. It does come with 2 buttons. I doubt I will use the buttons because I like just turning on the watch with the wave of the wrist. That's the gesture control. So if you are used to smartwatches, you probably would never even have to use the buttons. Now this watch does come with quite a few watch faces, but you cannot readily switch them on the watch itself. You really do have to go into the app. The app is called Zepp, Z-E-P-P. So it's no longer the Amazfit app, at least not in the Android store. I did not see that. It's now actually called Zepp. So you have to download the app, let the updates install, which was kind of annoying at first, because when I first opened the watch up, I would expect a plug and play without all the updates, but that literally took 15 minutes for everything to update, the downloads, before I can actually get to the default watch screen. But once you're in there, you're going to find quite a few features on the app. It's pretty smooth, and it doesn't really feel like it has a lot of bugs on the watch like the other Chinese smartwatch apps do. It was pretty easy to navigate. You can actually change a lot of, there's actually a lot of watch faces for you to choose from. The thing is that you can't really change it instantaneously. You would actually need to pick a watch face on the app and actually sync it through Bluetooth onto your watch before the change. So that might take about 15 seconds. So after the change, you can also find other features on the app, such as unlocking your screen, taking an incoming call. So it feels almost like the app is like 40% of the capabilities of the watch. So I would say this functions less of a standalone watch comparing to some of the generic Chinese smartwatches. So that is a con for me, because sometimes I would like to just do things on the go and actually operate the watch standalone. But for the Amazfit brand so far, I have tested the T-Rex and this so far, and it seems like the app is about 40% of the capabilities of this watch. So that is one con for me. But other than that, everything on the app does function pretty smoothly. So that's a pro, and it does seem like there's quite a bit of features to choose from. And so once you get used to it, you'll be able to navigate pretty easily. Now let's see how to navigate through this watch. Now the interface seems pretty similar to the T-Rex, and of course it's a pretty similar watch between them two anyways. Now that's your heart rate monitor. Let's see, if to get to the heart rate monitor, you would actually swipe left from the default watch face, which is kind of different in some of the navigation from the T-Rex. But the interface itself and just the look of it itself, they look pretty identical. Now I do like the heart rate monitor here because you don't have to press anything, and it gives you a pretty fast reading comparing to other Chinese smartwatches. Now, if you keep swiping left, that would give you your pedometer. So that seems like the whole rotation already. It seems like it's not. It seems like it is lacking a little bit of a function comparing to the T-Rex. I might be wrong, but that's just how it seems like right now so far. This is your standard simple functions and some repetitive ones too. But if you want to get into different sport modes, you would want to go into workout, and that would adjust to the sport modes in terms of getting your pedometer readings. So what do I think of this watch? I think the functions are pretty limited, so that's another con for this watch. But I do like the interface, the resolution. Everything seems to be working pretty smoothly, as opposed to some of the other generic smartwatches that come from China. It seems like those smartwatches still have their apps in development at times. But this one seems, so far the Amazfit brand does seem like everything is running pretty smoothly in terms of what they have already. So, there's no problem to that. It's just that the functions are kind of limited. I mean, you can't really go online and browse the internet like you could with an Android smartwatch for this price. But you could probably even get an Android smartwatch for even cheaper if you don't mind just the generic feel of the watch. So it's a trade-off there. It feels like a very nice watch. Those are the pros. Everything's running pretty smoothly. Those are the pros. The con is, yes, it is limited in some capabilities and features, such as being able to go on internet. But that is the trade-off here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this short video and my review. Leave any comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.